Hello everyone, it's Michelle from the Age Graceful channel. It's my 4th year anniversary on YouTube, and I would like to say thank you so very much for your support and kind comments on my videos. Social media has allowed me to meet, connect, and become friends with some of the most amazing content creators. These relationships mean so much to me. Both Julia and Vee have agreed to collaborate with me and recreate our very first makeup looks. I hope that you will enjoy my video and then go to support both the Simply You Makeup channel and the Accessorize Your Life channel. They both post amazing content. I will leave their channel links in my description. Thank you again, and God bless you. So I have a product here. It's by IGK and it's called Good Behavior. This is like receiving a keratin treatment, but this is in spray form. You're supposed to be able to spray it and then use your heat tools to activate the ingredients in the spray. I've never used this before, but I have used heat tools to like run through my hair, and then I'll put a flexi rod in while it's warm, and then my curls, they set up a lot quicker and they last longer. So I'm going to try to use it on this unit here. I do have my heat tools getting hot here, and they should be hot. So I'm just going to take a small section. I've already parted it off, and I'm going to spray and see what happens. If I can get like a sleek look, because as you can see here on the ends of this unit, that they're a little bit frizzy. Not a lot, but a little bit. But I just want to get it a little bit smoother. This is a human hair unit, and it's rainy weather or moist outside. So I'm hoping that this will act as some type of protectant. It smells good. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like I sprayed on some fragrance from Bath and Body. I've never used a product that smelled so nice. So I have this heat tool all the way up on 445. It's definitely hot, but is it going to smooth out the ends? And it did. Look how shiny that is. Today I'm going to prime my face with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Serum. It has vitamin B3 and antioxidants that visibly reduce the look of hyperpigmentation. The watermelon hydrates, and the hyaluronic is a humectant that anchors moisture within the skin, keeping it hydrated and bouncy. For my eyebrows, I have been wanting to try the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is a waterproof eyebrow definer, and I use shade number 4, which is a warm, deep brown. I picked mine up for $24 at Sephora. This pencil comes in 12 shades, so you'll be able to find just the right one to fit you. It comes in both a standard and a mini size, and right now there's a sale where you can get it shipped to your home using code FREESHIP. To prime my eyes, I'm using Juvia's Place Prep and Prime Eyeshadow Primer. This comes in 3 shades. I'm using shade number 2, which is a medium. The first shade is a milky white shade, and shade number 3 is a dark shade. This is a long-wearing primer which cancels out pigmentation or discoloration. It creates a very smooth base. 0 creasing, 0 clumps, 0 oils, and intensifies your colors. It works on metallics, mattes, glitters, and shimmers. The palette that I've selected today is the Juvia's Warrior Eyeshadow Palette. This first shade I'm picking up is called Oshi. It's a matte light cantaloupe and is well within the theme of me recreating my first look of Motor City neutrals. This second shade I'm selecting is called Cano, and it's a matte caramel, and I'm placing that on the outer V and working it into my crease area. Once I have applied these 2 shades, I will blend them to remove any visibility of harsh lines. This last shade that I'm picking up is called Benin. It is a metallic golden taupe shade. It's very pretty. With all these shades blended together, they make a warm, neutral look. I'm dipping back into the Cano shade because as I was blending, I lost a little bit of my color. Now I'll prep my eyelashes with the Lash It'll by Lancome. This is a black, long-lasting mascara. On my waterline, I'll be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. This shade is 0, which is black. But did you know that they had 2 shades of black? The deepest is called Perversion. My eyelashes today are compliments of Rugi Beauty, and this style is called Ashley. And it's a fluffy, lightweight, natural-looking eyelash. I have applied the Duo Lash Adhesive and using my fan to get it to its tacky state before I apply the lash. Now I'll be using my favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. This is a full coverage foundation and I wear shade 5N2, which is Amber Honey. My concealer is the LA Pro Girl. This is in shade Fawn. LA Pro Girl is one of the most affordable concealers, but in my opinion, it is the best concealer. LA Pro Girl is a full coverage concealer. I really like the consistency of it, and it helps conceal fine lines and wrinkles. I'm using my sponge first to push the product into my skin, and then I will come back with my brush to blend it out. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder Foundation. I'm using shade number 385. This product comes in 50 shades, ladies and gents, so there's something out there for every skin tone. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, depending upon the application. To contour, I'm going to be using the Il Makiage x Carly Bible Face Shaping Palette. This is a limited edition palette, and it's called Moonstruck, and it comes in light, medium, and deep. I selected the deep. With my face shaping palette, I also received the Co-Star set, which is a lip color and a lip liner. My lip color is called Dirty Talk, and the shade is called Taurus. Currently, they are out of stock, and I don't know when they'll restock. It's been a long time. I am in love with this milk chocolatey contour. It's not powdery, and it just goes on so smoothly. The blush is like a deep salmon shade, and it goes well with my skin tone. Now it's time to see how my hair curled. It's been sitting a little over 24 hours in these flexi rods. So now I'll take them out. Now I'm going to spray this unit with the Elasta QP Reflect Sheen Spray. This is an ultralight spray, and its concentrated sheen spray provides a long-lasting shine. As a last step, I'm going to be applying my Il Makiage x Carly Bible Lippy. This is in the shade Taurus. It's a pinky brown nude, and it's a matte shade. It went on ultra smooth. I didn't have any flaking or peeling. This unit is by Original Queen. It's an 18-inch body wave unit I've had for over a year. So that's why I had to wash it and flexi rod it. I think it came out perfect. I don't have on my dress yet, just like in my original video, so I'm attaching these pictures. I hope that you enjoyed my video as well as these pics. Thank you so much for the support that you've given me over the years. I love you all. God bless you.